Question number 8. A projectile is launched upwards at an angle theta. So you are launching a projectile like this at an angle theta. It goes like this and falls here. Right? And then with an initial momentum P. With an initial momentum P means what? Okay, mu is the momentum where u is the initial velocity like this. And with an P naught, okay. With an initial energy E naught, okay. So initial energy E naught, okay. Air resistance is negligible, which means what? The energy will not change. See here, it could be kinetic entirely. As it keeps on going, kinetic plus potential. When it reaches the top also, it will be kinetic plus potential. So this is what can happen. What are the momentum and total energy of the projectile at the highest point of the motion? At the highest point of the motion also, the total energy is not changed because there is no air resistance. It has not lost its energy. Only thing is, part of the kinetic energy is getting converted to the potential energy. So therefore, the energy will not change. Here also, the energy would be E naught. So these two are correct. These two are incorrect. Then he has asked you about what will happen to the momentum. Now you see, this P naught can be divided into two parts, right? One along the x-axis, which is Px, the other along the y-axis, which is Py over here. Now what happens to Px? Px remains the same. Until here it remains the same only. Px will be the same because the horizontal vector or horizontal velocity does not change. But the vertical velocity vector becomes 0, which means what? Your Py becomes 0 at this point here. Okay, at the highest point Py becomes 0 while Px is always equal to P initial. So therefore what's happening? The momentum, the total momentum is a sum of Px and Py, which is given by square root of Px square plus Py square. So as a result of it, since Py becomes 0 over here and Px remains the same, so therefore the total momentum reduces and hence the answer is C. Okay.